So there you go guys, as you can see the rain has come up, some droplets over here, and this is what I was trying to show you. So little things are there, drop drops of rain is coming up, and look at these little birds. Okay, they're just wobbling around here. So okay, and I've never seen this kind of things in some other criteria. So mm, so I think today's weather will be as cold as it can be. So mm, so there will be no sun there today, I think so, and this will be the worst thing which will happen in this point of time. So let's see if we can able to get some good weather rather than this rainy ones. So let's see, let's check it out. And anyways, goodbye guys. Take care.